today I'll be teaching you 8 tips that people learn too late in the speedcubing journey. Let's go. First one is when you are finishing your cross, but you forget to insert this last one. So you go into F2O, and then you notice once you've finished that, oh no, your pieces flipped on the bottom or on top. So what you do is M, U prime, M prime, and then now you have it on top, and you can do M, U2, M prime. Now if you have this case and you have this piece flipped on top, you need to insert it. Instead of going like this and then inserting the other pair, what you can do is M prime, U, M, and it's inserted just like that. That's tip number 1. 2 is to play around with other WCA puzzles, because it can be a lot of fun to use a bunch of different puzzles instead of just the standard 3x3. So make sure that you're switching it up. For instance, I love the 4x4 and it feels super nice, and yeah, it's a lot more fun and more challenging than just a standard 3x3. So yeah, that's tip number 2. Make sure you are always lubing your cube, as this helps with keeping the cube smooth and also keeping it from breaking or creating friction that damages the cube. Make sure you're not stuffing in the piece into the cube, as that might cause damage and may even break like this one did. And yeah, this was a pretty expensive cube, so make sure that you're not breaking your cubes. You're to set up your cube the way you like it and not the way other people set it up for you, as it's all up to your opinion. It's your cube, not theirs, and whatever you do is up to your opinion, and whatever feels best to you will get you the better times. So make sure to keep doing what you love to do best. Make sure you're using Make sure you're using Cfox, because it can really do the difference between a 1 minute and 4 second time and a 17-second time. I'm literally not joking. This is why Cfox is so important, or any other different type of method like Ru or ZZ is great. It's alright to switch methods, it's totally fine. If you don't feel like doing one, you can do the other. It's okay to buy multiple cubes, and it's actually highly recommended, as you can find the different type of cube that you want to just use as a main, and it just depends on how you feel. So you might think, oh yeah, definitely, or ooh, no, that's way too bad because of some reason. So yeah, all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys learned some things from this. Let me know if you want me to do some more things like this in the comments. Let me know if you like reviews better. I'm trying to figure out what I should do more of. So yeah, let me know definitely, and see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oops. Peace.